Hey everybody, today we're in a Volvo XC90. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855099. Before we get installed, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided adhesive. You'll see it as this blue covering here. Now you'll want to make sure you peel the covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. And the tape is designed so if you ever need to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, you want to make sure you install the mount onto the dashboard before you attach anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to fit into two different seams. The first is between this chrome and the soft part of the dash here by the vent, and the second is underneath this soft part between these two other soft pieces of the dash. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take the included gap opener and insert it underneath the chrome, between the chrome and the soft part here, just to open up the seam. Then you're going to insert the upper angled edge into the gap. After that's done, you can go ahead and remove the gap opener and then rotate the mount down so the angled edge fits in behind the chrome piece. And then you're going to use your hands and kind of press down on the mount as well as forward so that you can get it to snap down underneath that second part of the dash and snap into the bottom seam. Once it's in place, you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.